I finally found my hotel. It's just at the back of Byum-Naigol station. So, sobrang dali lang pala. Front desk. Push to open. Autumn trees. Naninilak pa rin yung mga dahon. Oops, ala. Look at that. This is my neighborhood here in Busan. It's a Sunday today, so medyo maraming closed na shops. I'm not sure if dahil Sunday. Yay! We still have some autumn foliage. Gosh, wala tayong map. But we'll figure things out like we used to. So, pwede mandarin. I found a post office. I'll send myself a postcard. Hopefully, makakarating yung postcard na yon. Gosh, it's cold. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang malls. Naghanap ng mall. So, dito sa Busan, it's 7 degrees. Pag midday, 13 degrees. Ngayong hapon, it's already 7. And hindi pa totally nalalagas lahat ng mga dahon. So, I still have some autumn colors. Yay! Merong GS25. Is this true? Yung trees na to may bunga. Totoo ba to? Gosh. Let's be a tourist. Yan o, may mga bunga. So, maraming exercise machines doon sa area na yon. Ang lamig-lamig na. So, in this part, ang daming vintage shops and sa may bandang Junko. Maraming vintage shops, madaming yung mga Korean photo shops and cafes, syempre cafes. Sobrang hip siya for the millennials, no, the Gen Zs. At the Samyeonyeong Street. So, yun. Ang daming stores pa rin. May talks na sila. Ang daming stores and maraming this more sa mga young people ang nandito. They call this Korean pancakes. Because they have some crepes. Kahamot. Olivia, si Regina, let's go. Nakita ko lang to sa Google. According to them, they have the best pad thai daw. So let's see. Thai, pero it's eat. Menu board. Order muna ako. For a while. I ordered shrimp pad thai, tsaka chicken bao. That's for dinner. So, kakain tayo ng pad thai. According sa mga tourists, this is by far the best pad thai out of Thailand. So, yun. Tikman natin because I've been craving for pad thai kahit nung nasa Bacolod pa. So, let's see. This place is just sa Samjeon Station. This is one station away from where I am staying at. So, madali lang siya. Yun nga lang, bawat ride mo ng station is 1.6. Yun yung minimum. 1,600 won ang kaltas. Yun yung minimum na kinakaltas sa Team Money. So, I went back to the hotel thinking na pwede na ako mag-check-in. Yun pala, 7:30 pa. So, I told myself to just find something to eat. When I searched sa Google ng restaurants, ito yung lumabas, yung Thai. So, I checked it out. Ito, here we are. This is my food. Kain ka. So, finally, I have entered my room. Nakapag-check-in na tayo. Mag-room tour tayo. So, hallway. Maliit na hallway para sa iyong bags and shoes. So, I'm taking off my shoes first. And then, pagkapasok is malaking CR. Yan, merong shower, toilet, sink, and malaking bathtub. And then, you have this double bed. You have an aircon and a little sofa. There's TV. Yung toiletries, nakasaksak na dyan yung aking charger. That is me. You have some, natawag mo dira? Basta. Clothes hangers, kettle, and then refrigerator. So that's it. Here's the catch. Nakakainis. I didn't know that it is a promotional thing. I got a promotional thing with Agoda. I got this room for 830 plus, around 840 for 4 days. 840 for each night for 4 days. So around mga 3, 4, mga ganon. The thing is, I have to check out every single day. I have to check out every single day at 11 a.m. and then check in again at 7:30 of that same day. So every day, ma-assign ka sa different room, which is nakakainis. If gusto mo ng continuous stay, pababayarin ka nila ng 20,000 won each day, which is sayang. Ano pa yan? 1 meal. So, parang 4 meals pa yan in total. Kasi 4 nights tayo dito. So, yun. Nakakainis lang. But, yeah, I have to do it. Kasi sayang yung money. I could still use that to eat or pang shopping. Sometimes, pag nagtitipid ka talaga, ewan ko. But yeah, here we are. This is Hotel to Heaven. I don't know if this is a mot-mot, pero parang hindi naman. I don't know. Every single night, I'll just prepare my susuotin the following day, then pack my things para after taking a bath, I'll just kung anong damit ko last night, I would just put it in my bag and then check out and iwan yung luggage ko sa baba, then go out again, ikot, and then go back here 7:30. Yun na lang ang plan ko. Because really, I could not afford to shell out 20,000 won each night just because of that stupid promotion. I thought I got a good deal, but ganun lang talaga buhay.